What I'd like to do today is just show you a quick ambient trick you can do with a looper. You can do with almost any looper. I saw this done on a TC Electronic video on YouTube using their looper, but I found you can do it on more or less everything. And I'm going to try the same effect using my Spider Jam. Firstly, what you do is you record just 4 blank seconds. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I'll take down the volume on my guitar, press record again, play a chord, bring it in, and then I'm going to add to it. Series of different ambient backgrounds. What you can also do is just add to it, put a bit of a bass sound. That could be the sequence you want for an ambient track. Then obviously you can play over the top of it. I'm a Steve Village fan.